Good evening, friends. Today, we will have the special session from our beloved Basavaraj sir. We know that actually he is the spiritual guru for Jewish Kerala group and all the members. Already we have gone through so many spiritual meditation classes from Basavaraj sir. The zero state of mind, how can we attain that state? And so many protocols, so many treating modalities, so many things we will get from Basavaraj sir. Actually, the Almighty is working through our Basavaraj sir for us to this group. Now, on behalf of all of our family members, I am welcoming Basavaraj sir to this platform. Good evening, sir. Welcome, sir. Now we all are ready to do this meditation, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, all. So, welcome back to the Joshi's Kerala group classes. Good evening. So, let's start the colors with 0. So, I hope the things visible. It's always the color protocols, color therapy, or color numerology. The color healing, always we start with 0. Zero is the one which represents a nothingness. So many times, to make it happen, anything, you always go with 0. Why? Because 0 is the state of emptiness and nothingness. That state of nothingness has capacity to create new things. Today we are all here to achieve something in our life through this wonderful healing techniques. So sometimes we use medicines, Douglas, and needles, seeds, and many more. Sometimes things are behind our control. Even sometimes our own mind is not able to control by ourselves. Because our state of mind is always try to reach the outside, the metal stick. And we are all healers. We are treating people and we are curing them with or without drugs. If you want to make it happen, again, we require this state of nothingness. So that's what the sense organ with respect to Tamasika is reproductive organs. Because it is representing the organ which is representing black is reproductive. Because everyone thinking zero means nothing. But in healing, zero is everything. Because zero is the one which is able to create. We are creating the healing energy in the patient. That we can do with zero. How we can achieve this zero? Simple. You can make your mobile screen with zero. For example, I am making this number 1 as my screensaver. Because I have different requirements. To reach that requirements, I am going with that number 1 in purple color. If anybody of you feel a too much restless life and you're working too much but not getting much returns, if you are unable to reproduce something, then you can take the help of this zero in black color. Of course, we learned a lot of cases, a lot of therapies we learned, a lot of degrees we did, a lot of research we do. At the same time, we are following a different methods for healing. Even though we do so many things to make it patient healthy, sometimes the things will go out of our control. We treat, but patient won't get the results. Sometimes the delay in the results also. This is because sometimes we are unable to create the energy. Which energy? Is tamasika, 0. If you are unable to reach 0 means your creative energy will be little less. Many times we got this experience. Even though we learn many things, but we are far away from the results. To make it more successful and to create more and more healing powers in the patient, as a healer, you can do that. How? This is done by most of the healers since ancient times, even till today. If we go to any rural part of India, there's so many healers, they're healing the people without naming any therapies and all. And millions of people are getting cured with just the transaction of energy. How people are doing? Most people are doing with meditation, prayer, and namaz, and by believing something. We can do in the same way with the different manners. First, we can create that nothingness. In ourselves. By creating nothingness, we can create the healing power. How? So first, we are doing a 2 minutes of zero state of meditation. With that, we'll try to take our mind to 0. And with that, we can create the healing energy. So all of you, just sit in relaxed position, comfortably. Relax. Sit, sleep, stand, whatever you are, but keep your body in the easy position. You should not feel any discomfort to sit or to stand. Gently close your eyes. Relax your body and relax your breath. Concentrate between 2 eyebrows in Ajna Chakra. Stay there. Just imagine that today darkness nothingness, no light, no thoughts, nothing. Just stay this state of nothingness. Just stay there, relax. Stay there. Stay with the state of nothingness. No thoughts, no imagination, nothing. Stay there. Now you are into the deep darkness, nothingness. With that, relax. Relax. Now, with the state of nothingness, now you can create a thought. Stay there. Now you can create a thought. You can create energy to heal, to make it happen. Relax. Just create energy to do the thought task, to make it happen something, or to heal somebody. Stay there. Stay there. Stay with the state of nothingness and stay there in Agna Chakra. Slowly, you can come to the real world. And relax. Daily, you can do this meditation. With that, you can create a thought. The moment you create a thought in zero state, it has more energy, it has more power to reach the destination. For what purpose you're creating the energy? So whenever you attend a chronic cases, For all of them, healing energy is less. That healing power you can create with the state of zero. And heal the people without expectation. That is the state of zero only. So that your thought will be more powerful. I'm telling very clearly, healing without expectation means it's not meaning that you should not take fees. Fees should be there, which makes more for the both patient and healer, makes more responsible, so that they systematically attend and take consultation, and they give consultation on time with response. But behind that, don't expect anything from anybody. If you make this state of mind, always your mind will stay with nothingness. It will go away from this nothingness or zero state of mind when you are too much calculative and materialistic or too much expectation from anybody. That's what the great healers used to say. Do the things and leave the list of things to the Tao. Means zero. For everything, you can follow this state of zero and create a thought for a patient to whom you guide. For example, the same state of mind or energy is required for fertility. If someone is planning for conception of baby, for them this zero helps a lot, because to create some new life, they need nothingness. Try this. Not only for fertility, if any one of you plan to start some clinic or some to create some product or some company or some business, if you feel it is getting delayed or it is getting late, what it means? Why things will get delayed? Because you don't have much of nothingness. You don't have much of shunya to create something new. Anything to make it happen. I'm not telling you require only zero, you require different sorts of energy. One will learn better and get 90% and first some ranks. Some other people, they're unable to even pass also. Why? Apart from study, both are having same energy, same physical strength, and even same economical also. But one who have Akash, one who have the earth element. They learn obviously faster and they're able to remember better. This means with colors, with numbers, you can create an energy where your body energy is low in that direction. For example, if you are unable to create, if you're unable to create the healing frequency for your patient to whom you heal, why can't you make just 0? Just make it 0, nothing else. But sometimes some feedbacks which we seen from the clients and patients. Sir, after putting 0, I'm losing interest. I'm not getting interest to go office. I'm not doing anything. Why you like that? Because with the help of 0 in black color, you yourself, you are making your mind and body to the shunya. When you are reaching towards shunya, obviously your mind and body a little inert. Have you experienced this? If not, just make your mobile screensaver number 0 in black color. You will experience within 4-5 days. That's what I told. To whom you can keep, who are willing to create the healing power. Don't give the 0 who is actively working, doing better business and maintaining everything. This is required to whom want to create something new, which is not happened with the normal doctors, which is not happened with the normal set of mind. Whenever I make 0 in black color, I will be more concentrating in healing. I treat the people most effectively. And my healing powers, I feel much, much wider and intensive. At the same time, I got the feedback from the people whom I guide 0 with black. They're also telling they're losing the interest in their job. It's possible. But don't worry. As a healer, you are keeping that 0 to make your mind to shunya. For infertility, you're giving to men, you're giving 0. For what? To create more sperms and better egg for a woman. You can try. Either you can write number 0 on your palm, or just much easier is make your mobile screensaver as 0, or your WhatsApp DP you can make 0. This zero will be very, very helpful for the healers. One day you just try keeping zero with black and treat the people, and other day you do it without that. You can see the feedbacks from the patients to whom you healed. With zero, your healing sessions will be much intensive. Try this. All the time, most of us, we are in stressful situation because we are expecting something from our job, from our profession, from our thought. Why we are stressful? Because you are away from Shunya. Nothing else. Nothing makes you stressful. Just you are away from Shunya. Then how to eradicate the stress? It's very simple. You try yourself to your people who are in restless, stressful, anxiety, and who are into a relationship problem. Just try zero with black. Your stress will disappear within few days. Zero is such a powerful number with black. So many times you create miracles with black. It has a ability to nullify anything. For example, if you are having any sort of infections, just put black. It will nullify that extra growth, infection activity. Anywhere. If you have a tooth infection, tooth pain, ear infection, ear, throat infection, ear, urinary infection, ear, stomach infection, ear, anywhere. I think many of you experienced how we are using black to nullify the infection. Yes, even for tumors also, cyst also. Just do zero with black or apply black on the reflex. Any type of infection, fungal, bacteria, viral, anything. On both the palms you can try. I think in Joshi Kela group, there's many people, they already shared your experience. With zero, how best, and with black, how we are nullifying the infection. And not only infection, you can nullify anything which is abnormal, which is overactive, which is unconditional growth. It may be a infection, tumors, or fibroids, whatever it may be. Anything which happened with more activity, no? Zero is the one which nullifies the activity. All of you know the math. Anything multiplied by zero, what do you get? Zero only, no? Anything which multiplies with zero is zero only. If you feel there's a over multiplication of virus, bacteria, fungus, or over multiplication of your own body cells in the form of tumor, what to do? Multiply with zero. How? Just apply a black color on the same reflex. It is like multiplying with zero. Yes, Venkatesh. What is your experience? Venkatesh came. You can unmute and you can switch on
Just
the
now.
video.
Okay.
Yes, Venkatesh. Hi.
Yeah, I think you remember me.
Yeah.
Actually, I have learnt recently. I completed some beautiful courses from Kashi K. Mishra. I think you know, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and I was also going through your color therapy also. I also have heard that if you keep zero on palms, some people are losing interest in their job and work, as just now you mentioned. Is there any solution for that, or should we continue to use zero?
Have you experienced?
No, I have not experienced. For me, it was good.
Who experienced?
No, I just saw in some messages, in some groups.
Okay. I'll give you the answer for your question. Okay.
Okay.
Losing interest. Yes, Asha.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग
सर, मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ। मेरे कान में, दोनों कान में ईचिंग हो रहा था 6 मंथ्स पहले। तो मैंने थंब में दोनों साइड में, जहाँ आपने बताया अभी, मैंने ब्लैक कलर लगाया। सर मेरा एकदम विदिन 2 days मेरा एकदम अच्छा हो गया।
6 months problem solved in 2 days.
Yes, before 6 months.
That is the power of zero.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It is your guidance. I put it that.
Thank you very much for your feedback.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one problem is also there.
Yeah.
My left leg ankle is very much paining and swelling is very much swelling. And I can't walk properly. I step में चढ़ना, सीढ़ी चढ़ना उतरना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है सर।
Nothing, sorry. Just make number 2 in sky blue.
Where, sir?
Number 2.
Yes.
In sky blue, just make your mobile screensaver.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So different people experience different things, but I will tell you my experience. Whenever I apply zero, I am in the state of what we can say a drunken state. Many things happens around me. I am not responsive for that. Sometimes even my wife tells, don't put zero. Why? Because sometimes in our life, we should not respond too much. Being responsive itself take you to this state of illness, to this state of stress. Just many people told, no, after putting 0 in black, we are losing the interest in the job. So it is not they're losing interest. To whom they're losing interest means those are all the people working without passion. They are working without interest. That creating the mind that is taking your state of mind to away from the 0, away from the nothingness. You got it? The moment to put 0, it is taking you to the towards shunya. And whenever we put 0, actually, you can work more intensively, more perfectly, more passionately, without thinking about failure or success. You can work very intensively when you put 0. Why? Because you are in drunken state. How you are after making 2-3 pegs? No other thoughts, only one thought. Like that, if you are with your passion, that itself is a 0 state only. To whom they lose interest means actually those are all the people, they are working without interest. Their interest is something, but because of salary or because of to lead life or because of something else and because of commitments, they are working for something. Then only chances of losing. Because in last 8-9 years, I used number 0 many occasions. All the time, it increased my passion. It increased the output, the way whenever I worked. I never lost interest in anything. So, if you want to stay with your passion, if you want to work without thinking of losing or gaining money or position, without thinking success or failure, just work. All of us know that working without expectation, working without thinking what next, automatically that will take you to the success. Why many times your success is getting delayed? Because we only hesitating whether it is working or not, whether it is taking you to the next level or not, whether how it works, where if it is failure, what happens. Many times we are only pulling back the success. But 0 is not like that. 0 is the one, it is not allowing you to think about failure. It is not allowing you think anything apart from your work. Many times to take you 0 to make it work, you need a guru. You need a guru to guide. But unfortunately, most of us are not much lucky to have guru in our life. If you take the history of India, any king or any kingdom or any the great person, even Krishna, Rama, everyone is having guru to lead, to guide, to make you 0. But unfortunately, we are in the world of capitalism. Everything is running with time and money. At least we can make our own consciousness as a guru by putting zero in black. The famous saint Basavana told, Arive Guru, means your own consciousness is your guide. Yes, we know that word, but how to make it happen? How to make it happen? This is the simplest way. To make it, to experience, yes, my own conscious is my guru. To achieve that state, you need to do a lot of activity to reach zero, meditation, something, so many things. But here, not like that. We should say thanks to a developer who developed these concepts of colors and numericals. What you required, that you can achieve with color, with number. So just make zero with black for your mind and to lead your consciousness. If you want to nullify anything in your body, make zero. If cyst growth is there in the breast, just make black color, the respective reflex. Right side cyst is there, here. Just check where it's, definitely it will little painful, where is the cyst reflex. There in that position, just apply black, nothing else. 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, just put it. Nothing you are losing, nothing. You can put it in left hand so that it won't makes disturbance if you are eating something also. Just put zero. Zero, it won't work if you want to strengthen muscles, hernia, or if you are muscle pain. No. Zero is the one which refers the activity. What is the activity? Extra activity you got? Extra growth, extra infections, okay, or extra spur, calcination spur, anything which is abnormally, unconditionally growing, you have to pull back to zero. For that, you can work, you can make it black color. Many people, in my experience, they take so many antibiotics for urinary tract infection. The moment you take antibiotics, it will clear for maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Again, it will come. Yes. Just no antibiotics is required. Any infection, or throat infection, urine infection, or any pus formation on the skin or skin infection, anything. Just make black, respective area. Clear? Even pus cells in urine happens due to infection only. Just apply black, nullify it. Clear? Someone is asking, if already not having interest, how to create interest? How to create means you can make anybody interest with only one thing. You know what it is? That is your vision. Only you can get up early if you have a target, if you have a vision. The number which makes you visionary is red. Number which makes you more visionary, for making you think ahead and taking your body and mind and emotions towards destination is red. Do you know, at one point of time in India, people are not going out without putting kumkum. Do you know why? The red is the one which guide you. Red is the one which guides you. How to make it that? Just make number 7 in red. If anybody is having lack of interest, no goals, no force, simply they're getting ready, going office. Coming back, having bath, watching TV, eating and sleeping. If you are doing that, and if you are comfortable with that, don't put red. Because last year, I given this red to one person. Within 2 months, he left the job. Why, you know? Before only is having a dream of doing some startup, some own business. But he suppressed that vision, that goal, which he's having, and he's going job. And he came and asked, so how can I do a better job and better business? I given number red in 7. Then after 3 weeks, he came back and told, I resigned my job and doing this, my passion, my startup only. So that's what, be careful. Sometimes it changes the state of you. Because we are all Indians, rather than achieving, we are giving more importance to the comfortness. Oh, you have a job, you have a salary, so the life is coming. Then we don't want to disturb that person. But 7 is the one, it is not allowing you to sleep and dream. It is making you get up and run behind the dream. You decide before applying red and giving red to your kid or to your husband or to wife. Because by mouth you are telling, what you are telling, yes, get up, you do more interest, don't be lazy. At the same time, the moment they go with force, we only pull back. No, go and do that way. just make your mobile screensaver number 7. Within 2 or 3 weeks, not more than that. If you want to be if you want to work with force, I'm telling, many people do job. They will do, actual time required is 1 month. They will do same job for 6 months. For them, I'm telling number 7. Who are lazy, lethargic, slow, dull. And there is, you can use the, to whom they don't have purpose of life. But it's not like that it will work only up to how much you require. Sometimes energy is like that. The moment you show the direction, it will go. So I told one guy, just given a point, he just left the job. That mother, father come to know I am the reason for that, they will scold me. My son is doing the job comfortably. You only did all. So that's what, even for your kids or for yourself, and my suggestion is, you can use red where you want to go in right direction with force. So many parents, they come and complain. My son or daughter, they sit in toilet for 1 hour. Many parents complain this. My kid sits half an hour. Okay. Don't do anything. Just put one red dot on large intestine reflex. The large intestine reflex, just put one red dot. Okay. What it makes? It creates the force. What is the timing for bowel? 2-3 minutes. With the red, you can achieve that. Just use red or left hand middle finger here. Just put one red. It will reach, make you to reach your destination on time. That's it. Here, left hand middle finger, third line. Kapha joint. Just half an hour in a day is enough. Not more than that. Just put half an hour in a day. Every week you can see that 5 minutes will reduce. From the 30 minutes, it will come to 5 minutes within 3-4 weeks. No other colors, nothing. Only one color I'm telling. Same thing you can achieve. Whose menses is getting delayed more than 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, 60 days. It's getting delayed, no? There is no much force. What is the aim of ovaries? To create egg for every 28 days. It is unable to reach the target, the destination. Then you can create a force. On the ovaries reflex, just put red dot. That's it. Nothing else you need to do. Understood? Red is such a powerful number that will make you a visionary and make you to take your destination with force. I'm using the word, the force. You can use this number who are very lazy. You can use this where any of your organ strength getting low, heart, kidney, ovaries, liver, stomach. If any of the organ getting weakened and they're unable to reach the destined job, if any organ getting weakened, means the force is getting reduced. Just use red on that reflex, left hand middle finger. Left hand middle finger here. For example, if nose is blocked, means you're unable to breathe out, breathe in properly. What it means? The nose is not doing the job properly. Increase the force by putting red dot. This will create you the force. And it will increase the speed towards the destination. For example, if you have PCOD and delayed menses, we will read. At the same time, if anybody is having early menses, within 15-20 days they are getting menses, that too with heavy flow. Heavy flow means what? Your force is increased. Your force is increased. You are reaching the destination much faster with heavy force. For them, you have to reduce by putting pink. Pink to reduce the speed and force, to reduce the direction. Use pink. At the same time, if you want to increase, if you feel your mother-in-law or daughter-in-law much more aggressive, how to reduce? Don't convince them. They won't listen. What to do? You can switch on video so that you will have interaction. If you feel your father, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law much more intensively, they're guiding you. Do this, don't do this. Right? So because there is a generation gap. So at the end of the day, anyone will dominate another. Okay. So if you want to avoid that, the force, just make number 7 in pink color. Just paste in all or somewhere else. In A4 size sheet, you can take number 7 in pink. Only if you feel both are aggressively quarreling each other. What that number 7 will do? Number 7, red, increases the speed and force, aggressiveness. Number 7 in pink is opposite. That makes you slow, that makes you good listener, that makes you relax. Even though if you feel thought, I want to go and scold, you yourself get delayed. You'll see in the morning. You'll see in the evening. You yourself will delay. So many misunderstanding can be avoided if you delay. Many times, how that misunderstanding comes? Without patience, we go and ask, we go and tell something aggressively or with more anger. If you make little delay is enough, you can avoid many things, many misunderstandings. So how to make it delay? Number 7 in pink. Again, if you want to reach a destination, if you want to achieve much faster, number 7 red. Even it is the same law is applicable for your job, work, family, for your body also. If you, many people, especially I'm getting young kids, youngers, not female, male. They go out, they won't tell when they are coming, and they won't tell where they are going. It's very difficult to control and keep the youngsters in line. They will tell, I will go college, but they go somewhere else. They will tell, I will study, but they won't study, they do something else. Not all, I'm telling few, because that is the age where they're getting diversion. And many people, there's a chances of getting addiction, smoking, drinking, something. So if you feel your kid is diverting, that means when you will get diversion? You will get diversion when you don't have goal. You will get diversion when you don't have goal only. So for them, somewhere, either on the, if they are using bag, you can make number 7 red in keychain or mobile screensaver, or a small letter you can make number 7 and keep it there in bag. And think what it will do. The changes you can see within 2 to 3 weeks. Because number 7 is such a powerful number that will keep you in line. It is not allowing to divert, to change your direction. Or else this number and all, if you are not willing, if you are believing the Indian tradition, tell your son, keep one kumkum and go out. That is what our ancestors, they made it as a tradition. Because many tradition, not many, 99% of the traditional things and culture is made for your mental, emotional and physical well-being only. Nothing else. Whatever, not only in Hinduism, even Christian, Muslim, any religion you take, all the religions that developed and they created for the well-being of the human. But maybe the rituals may be in different way, depending upon their geographical variations and temperature variations, they may change. But all the rituals are there to keep you happy, relaxed, and energetic and destiny oriented. Clear? You can use red to increase the force. Where to increase the force, you decide. So tomorrow afternoon, I have one function. Okay. Tomorrow morning, we'll have breakfast in home only. Function is there at 2 o'clock. So while going, I'll put one red dot on the stomach. Why? In function, so many dishes they make. I'm increasing the force of stomach. 8 o'clock, I'm having breakfast. By 12, you make it everything empty. So that by 1 o'clock, variety of dishes I can fill. You just decide where you want to create a force. Anybody in any organ, in any tissue, you can use red to create a force. Many people, the moment they get up, they're unable to hold properly, they're unable to walk because of the knee pain. So you can increase the force in the knees. So where I told left hand middle finger is for the direction. In the knee reflex, this is the knee reflex. This is your right knee and left knee. If anybody of you, after sitting long time, you are unable to walk, you are unable to bend your knees, you feel some force is not there in the knees. Many people wearing socks to make it grip and all. Nothing is required. Just put 2 red dot. Within a week, I'm telling you, you can jump. You can give much faster and better result than any orthopedic doctor. This is I'm telling after hearing so many patient feedback. Sometimes many people, they experience a libido, lack of sexual interest after 40 plus, 50 plus. For them also, this on gynec reflex, putting a red dot, it will clear that libido. This one. If it has, for few people, due to kidney indeficiency or kidney heat, many people will get excessive sexual desires. For them, you can put pink. I'm telling left hand middle finger only. I'm not telling other fingers or other numbers. Many people, either we feel restless or we feel lack of force. If you feel restless and stressful, use black. Number 0 in black. Or yang brain, below the thumb, this is the yang brain, put black color. That will reduce your restlessness. That will make you to relax. Opposite to that, many people, there is no force, there is no challenges, there is no goal and aim in their life. Simply they are like a dead bodies, are working for somebody. For them, you make red. Left hand middle finger below the nail, make red. that will not allow you to sit and relax. It will make you get up and create ideas, make some plans and designs and work for it. What an idea. Sometimes we have everything, but we don't have goals. I've seen many people. Some people, they have everything, but their life is like zero. They are not showing themselves in the society. Money is there, health is there, age is there, but they are inert. They are not making any changes. They are not showing their presence. For them, I am telling number 7 in red or red dot below the nail, left hand middle finger. So I know that one cannot use both the colors, red and black. The characteristics are opposite. You can give these numbers and colors for two different sets of mindset people. One is too restless. We are telling, just take 2 days leave, be with us. No, I have to go run. For them, black. For somebody, go out something, do something means, oh, I'll do tomorrow. That tomorrow never comes. So for them, red. Someone is asking how to become rich. It's so easy becoming rich. Who will become rich? One who sits in their all in front of TV with remote. He will become rich? No. One who work hard from morning to evening in the office, very hard, 12 hours in a day. He will become rich? No. His boss become rich. Who will become rich? One who have good health? No. He won't become rich. Who becomes rich? One who have good idea, he becomes rich? No. His ideas will be there in his mind only. Okay, someone is telling politicians become rich. How politicians become rich? By sitting in office? By sitting in home? No. Politician is the one who gathers the people. He is the person who meets maximum people. In election time, he will meet 10 million people. At least 1 million people. Yes or no? Amazon, Facebook, Google, all these owners are very rich because they are reaching the people. If you want to become a rich, only the best way is you should reach the people. If you are very good, intelligent, someone will hire you, give you good salary, and he will make you to work for him. If you have very good idea, Someone will invest and they will take your idea. One who work hard, he become a best employee. Just take a simple IAS officer, IPS officers. They're worked hard. They're spending, they're almost investing their 10% of their life to become officers. They will read very hard, 18 hours a day. That too, maybe 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 8 years. They won't become much rich. If they are loyal, they hardly get some lakhs of salary. But the politician, who is the one, the best example, who is the one the reaching the people effectively. If you want to become rich, do just one thing, reach out the people. Nowadays it's very easy. Previously you had to go in the market and to reach the people. Now, sitting in home, you can reach the people through Telegram, WhatsApp, Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. How many medias are there? YouTube. You can reach the people. But to reach that, you need some energy. Not all the people will reach the people. In our village, people used to tell one word. If anybody become rich, for him, in village side, they will tell, now his luck is running, his time is good. That's what his business is good. Huh? One who wins the any election, his time is good this time. That's what he won the election. So you can reach the people only with good time. Time brings you to reach the people. Sometimes you put many effort, but it will get lost. If you want to reach out the people, just use orange. Nothing to do. Just make number 6 orange on your mobile screen. Someone wrote in the chat box, you can see that. They put number 6 in orange, they got new job. Who told that? Can raise your hand. Just share your experience so that it is a good example. Someone written in the chat, after putting number 6 in orange, they got job. How? Just number 6 orange creates the time. Because of that time, you are reaching somebody. Maybe you are reaching the good new job. It's Maya. You are the one.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you listen me?
Yeah.
मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ?
Yeah, yes.
आपने लास्ट टाइम एक कलर थेरेपी की जब क्लासेस की थी ना, तब मैंने ये इसमें किया था. तो मैंने अपने शॉप पे ऐसा 6 नंबर ऑरेंज में स्क्रीन निकाल के ना, वो लेमिनेशन करा के और कैश बॉक्स के पास में रखा था. और पूरा साल जब से शॉप ओपन हुई है ना, बहुत अच्छी सेल हो रही है. और मतलब वेरी गुड, बहुत मुझे ऐसा लगा काफी फायदा है मुझे.
So you no need to hire any extra marketing people. Just use number 6.
हाँ, बस जो नॉर्मल चल रहा था, दुकान जस्ट शॉप ओपन किया था, स्वीट शॉप इन खार मुंबई. तो मतलब अच्छे रिजल्ट्स है।
Thank
और
you
ये
for your feedback.
पूरा साल ना हमारे को मतलब जैसे आफ्टर कोरोना ना मनी का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। पूरा साल बहुत अच्छा निकला मनी वाइज।
Super. No?
थैंक थैंक यू।
You may spend maybe
इवन
1,000.
वन नंबर ना आई टोल्ड माय डॉटर कि आपको वन नंबर इन पर्पल कोई भी चीज को आपको एक्सेप्ट करवाना हो तो उसके लिए बताया था। तो वो कहीं भी इंटरव्यू देती है, वो उसने अपने मोबाइल में स्क्रीन से ये जो मोबाइल का स्क्रीन रखा हुआ है पर्पल कलर में वन वन नंबर। तो कहीं भी इंटरव्यू देना हो, कुछ भी देना हो, हमेशा उसको एक्सेप्टेंस मिलता है, यस मिलता है उसके लिए।
Super, great. So you got all the results by just attending colors therapy workshop.
या
Super.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. So thank you, Maya, for sharing your experience after attending color therapy. Here, there is no magic. I'm telling you, everything works systematically, logically. Systematically, logically. I told now 2 colors, black and red. Whether you want to create a force or we want to stop the force. Just use red and black. Like that, if you want to create, if you want to reach out the people, orange. Why Swamiji wearing orange, you know? If you become Swamiji and sit in one place, what is the use of Swami? He has to reach out the people and tell the religion, tell about the God. Yes or no? Swami is the one, for him is very essential to reach the people. Otherwise, there is no goal by sitting and doing only puja in this one. He has to enlighten the people, and more people has to go to him, and more people he has to reach. That is the orange. Okay. Yes, Ravinder Man. What is your experience, madam?
My experience, my son, मैं उसको बोला था कि number 1 in orange color.
Number 1 in orange.
Screensaver.
I may change based on their date of birth. Sometimes not always. I use different colors in 6 different numbers in the orange color.
He changed his job in 1 month only and get another good job.
Superb, no?
Yes.
So
now he got time for his family. Pehle he used to work for, used to come at 11, 12, 1 o'clock from the hotel. Now he joined Google's. He comes home on time.
Superb. If you want to achieve the same good job, you have to pay so much for the consultancy.
Yes.
You no need to pay to me. I'm just happy to share.
Just he gave his interview in a minute and they call him.
Superb.
He should continue that number on screensaver.
Once you achieved what you want, you can remove that number.
What should he use? His number 1 ही बंदा date of birth.
Yeah, I given last class, no?
Yes.
Yeah, it's almost more than a month. You can not required now.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 1 should write in what color?
Number 1 in orange, I told, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
he should remove now. No other color need.
No other colors required. If you have any other extra requirement, I'll tell you the extra color. Different color in different number. It's completely, I'm telling you, it's a requirement. Color numerology is not something simply we keep. No. What you required, you told new job. I given number 1 orange. If you tell something, a better bonding with the kids and wife, you can make it. If you want to build a house, you can make it. To build a house, some energy is required, no? You may have that energy, you may not have that energy. I will just calculate through your date of birth and tell that's it. Not only you, in JC Koda group, I given numbers more than 500, 600 people. And
Yes.
results are there. Again, I'm not telling you, you will get results in 3 months, 1 month. No. I am making you some energy to do that job.
Oh, thank you.
Will acquire slowly. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you very much. And just sharing a few experiences with the colors. Don't think that color only for health, color numerology only for family, job. No. Logically, you can understand, you can use everywhere. Everywhere you can use. So total combination is 100. So one number in 10 colors, like that 10 numbers in 10 colors. So in front of you, so with the date of birth, we use the different numbers and different combinations. So that we will share you in upcoming classes. So one very good news people are waiting since more than 6 months is TM course. So we are starting from this Thursday. This time Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Last time we did Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In TM course, you learn everything in deep, logically, with enhanced subjects. Even old students can join this time. This time, I can assure you that your learning experience will be much, much better. Of course, all our TM students are doing wonders and sharing their results and also guiding others. I'm happy for that because I cannot reach every corner of the world, but I can make my research. I can train everything to you without hiding so that you can create wonders in somebody's life. So with that, so this is, I think, fourth batch or fifth batch in Joshi's Kerala group. So you can join by this Thursday. Okay. Of course, it's little paid, but the way you get results, your payment is nothing in front of that. See, people are telling results here, no, after the number, how many results they are getting. So like that, with 1 point, we can bring down sugar from 300 to 150. With 1 point, we can bring down your excess TSS level. With 1 point, we can bring down your mental restlessness to the peaceful of mind. With 1 point, you can do wonders. Okay. So only once in a year, this opportunity comes to learn. Okay. Even one more greatness from Joshi's sir is he allowed you to pay in installment. I'm telling you with my own art, with the bottom of my heart, I'm telling you with my own experience, the fees which you are paying is nothing in front of the results which you give. Do you know the people are suffering for years together, decades together. They are coming to you. You are creating magic with 1 point. That is TM. Maybe 1 point, 1 color, or 1 number. Now you have seen the experiences from different people. For them, 1 number created magic. For somebody's 1 point created magic. For somebody's 1 just meditation created magic. Whatever it is. So I am here to share you. Okay. If you are attending class, my job is to train you to the best. That I can do. Remaining all coordination is done by Joshi and Lalita madam. Okay. So most of the times personally, I won't invite the people. Everything is done by the organizer. But here I'm telling one word from my side. Okay. Because next batch may happen after 6 months or after 1 year, we don't know. Even repeaters or new members can join this to learn the magical things. Okay. Because learning 400 points in the normal acupuncture, learning all colors and putting 20, 30 points on the hand and slow results. No. Here 1 point. I'm telling you very clearly, after 2 days, your energy changes in this direction. I'm giving one color with one number. This is how your energy in after 1 month. So I think in every batch, even 10, 15 years experienced acupuncturist and the doctors, MBBS, MD doctors are joining our every course. Only because this is not a regular course. This is a research-based course. Even one word, one color, or one point, I won't tell without doing research. With that confidence only, I'm telling. Today I'm putting 1 point liver 3. After 3 days, your mind is like this, your digestion is like this, your bowel is like this. That is what we learn. Anybody can share your experience. How is TM? Yes, Sajad, I think you are the one, you are the guiding many people in group, giving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
You can
Thank
make
you.
a video on.
Yeah. I switched on the video. See,
Yeah.
I take
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Before that, I have to give a detail of this course. Actually, before that, we are conducting this TEM at the weekend, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. This time, we'll have the class from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday because our Basara sir is very busy with the patients in his clinic on Sunday. So we will have the class from Thursday onwards, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And of course, we know that it is a course long for around 3 months or more. And of course, he will give more explanation on how to do the pulse diagnosis, how to do the tongue diagnosis. And now he is including the ear acupuncture also, along with the color therapy and all. And you know that every time he is giving this subject in detailed explanation in different aspects. So we request all who have done the TM earlier also has to repeat this course. And many of you know that from one course you have to get only a half knowledge, or you will feel that something has to come to you. So many people are repeating the course. And you know that Joshi sir is giving a very discounted rate for repeating the course, as well as Joshi sir will definitely help you by paying the fee on installment basis also. And sure, friends, in between, he will give more explanation about the Nadishara also. All of you know that device is a very wonderful one.
Yes, Sajad, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm very happy, sir. In fact, initially, I used to do the seed therapies with the multiple number of seeds with on surgical tips. But after this course, I treated many people, including skin problems. Many people are happy. A single seed for 10 minutes, not more than that also, is giving excellent results. So it should reach to everyone of the people to cure their ailments. I am very happy, really happy.
Thank you, sir. That reaching has to done by people like Sajad and Joshi only, because we are good at doing research and sharing that result. Okay.
Yes.
But again, reaching people, I think Orange is there with you and Joshi only. So definitely. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your support.
Thank you very much.
And of course,
you can
you know that this is a sickle point therapy and sickle point acupressure therapy also there. In this single point seed therapy, Basara sir always gives you protocols. But moreover that, after completing this TEM, each one of you will be very much able to find your own point for particular person and particular discomfort. That is the beauty of this course. So on behalf of Joshi's Kerala Group, I am welcoming all those who are interested to participate this TEM diploma course can come and join this class. Actually, fees is a part of this course, but surely Joshi sir will help you by paying this on installment basis and all. And another thing, our Basara sir become very busy in these days. So we don't know when can we conduct another session. Maybe it will take 1 year or 10 months. We don't know when will be the next course. So if anybody planning to do this course, please come and join for this course, which will start by this Thursday in this week. Thank you so much. Thank you, Basara sir.
Thank you, Lalita madam, for giving this one. And many people are asking, recordings are available. Yes, recordings are available. And revision classes sometimes we take. And course fee and all Joshi sir will tell you. And second important thing is, it's a result oriented. In one word, I can say, it is because you can read everything, you know everything, but adding observation and research mind to that point is very important. I'm not telling you don't know the points. I'm not telling you don't know the concept. You may know everything, but knowing everything, making logically, systematically, making a way is very important. So that is done by Basva IQ Academy. So we are into alternate medicine training since more than 15 years. So even my age is 37 now, but the moment I passed my degree, I'm into this. Okay. So we'll learn and we'll do create magics, and it's not my things. It's many users in Joshi Skela group. I'm just while talking Lalita madam, I'm just opening Joshi Skela group. You can open yourself. One is sharing. There's someone wound, which is so much wound on this one, and that got healed with 1 point. You can see this number 0. I don't know who shared this. Name is Trivedi. Just putting 0, black color, you are healing. So we learn the things. If anybody wants to share your experience, 1 or 2 minutes, please welcome. You can raise your hand. I can unmute you. Anybody want to share how you are doing magics after TM course? Yes, Sima Mukherjee. Yes. 1 or 2 people, just because I'm training, you are doing wonders. If you are not spreading, means again, you won't get the aim. The vision is, my vision is, in every village, every home, there should be a healer. So what is your vision? Maybe to learn and to become expert. But if the communication is not there between you and me, you cannot, we ourselves cannot reach the destination. So that's what it's our things to know. Okay. Yes, Uma madam.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yeah, sir.
Video.
I have to join video. Actually, I'm in a room, sir. I don't know like how much it's visible. Yeah, sir. Sir, actually, after learning from you, I just started with reflexology. Till now, I do every week more than 200 members free health checkup in camps. So when I start doing in the morning by 10 o'clock, before 6 o'clock, I complete more than 100 members. minimum 80% of the people will come back and they'll say they'll get the pain with like reduce more than 50%, sir.
Just you are doing reflex only.
Yes, only reflexology, nothing else. Nowadays, I'm applying Aurikilo because I was
Aurikilo.
not particular that. So just now I'm just practicing. Just now I'm applying one point with the supporting of organ point also. So last time you told that you have to treat with organ point supporting with the channel one.
Very good,
So-
madam. You are doing wonders with auricular and reflex. But my
Yeah, sir.
suggestion, use
Yeah, sir.
points also.
Yeah, sir. So that's little still I want to learn more, sir, because it's been
No,
like
even though I'm teaching 25, 30 points only, but
sir.
to learn that 25 points, I think it requires a lot of time and effort. So
Yeah,
better
sir.
join again, you can learn better.
We can go with the offline also, sir.
Offline is seats are full,
Oh,
only online. Because we
okay.
are accommodating only 35 members in our center. That 35 number is full even 1 week back only. So
Okay.
you can try online this time. Otherwise, we may do next June, July, we do offline, then you can try.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. I'll come and talk to you, sir, on Sunday. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Yes, Anand.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anand. How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm fine.
From
Sir,
Gujarat?
Sir, I'm running Anand Yog Mandir, in which I am doing different types of alternate therapies. But after doing your TEM course, now I can diagnose tongue, eyes, and pulse very clearly. And so my treatment is so easy and very resultable. So because of you, your course, I also I want to repeat your TEM course. So thank you all of you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So who got getting results and doing wonders with the TM, they know value of TM. So that's what they will repeat. Why they repeat means we are not teaching apart from 25 points. We teach only 25 points. But that 25 points only you can learn with the different direction, different dimensions, and you can use same points for different purpose. So that's what I think most of the people are repeating, not only now since 2 years we are seeing, no, nothing wrong in repeating course, but which makes you much more clear in the treatment and diagnosis also. Thank you. Yes, Purnima madam, how are you?
So fine, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So even I'm using all your different modalities of treatment, though I don't have a clinic, but for all of my relatives, friends, and neighbors, whoever is asking, I am using color therapy, seed therapy, your number numerology, and it is really working wonders and bringing lot of changes. Even I'm teaching my sister who is far away in Rajasthan, and I just tell her, and she's also interested, and she doesn't have time to attend the classes, but she's learning whenever anything happens. For all her helpers, like whoever is coming to her place, the gardener, the washerman, whoever comes to her, she, for their family's problem also, she will ring up and she will find out from me, and she is treating them through me. So that far extent it is going, sir, the treatment. It's really a magical treatment, sir. Wonderful. It.
Thank you
I'm
for
so thankful, grateful to you, sir. Really, you are my guru in this life.
No, madam. I'm
Yes.
not even half of your age. I won't.
No, still, no problem, sir. But you are my guru. You have shown the light to
Your
my life.
blessings is required for
You're
us.
doing wonderful, and you will do really great to this mankind, sir. Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much.
much for your
Thank you so
feedback.
much. Thank
See,
you, sir.
many people are telling, we know acupuncture, we know color. What is this TM? TM means traditional energy medicine. This is the course which we designed by taking some concept from Ayurveda and TCM, even auricular and color. And we are learning in simplified manner, treating acupuncture with one point, treating colors with one color. But before applying one color or one point, we give more importance to the diagnosis and principle of healing. I can say in other words, your point may be use one, but to decide that point, you should learn a lot. It's not easy. In some textbook, we set up points are there. We will use that points and we will try to get the results. No. Instead of that, if you are using one point, before applying that point, you should think there's a more than 10 to 15 preconditions. Why you are using that point, what outcome you are expecting that point, and what is the condition to whom you are using that point. After all conditions, then you are applying one point. Applying one point, very clear what you are doing. In the patient, blood sugar level is more. To bring out, so what you are doing. Okay, if there's a dampness in digestion system, or maybe a lung insufficiency or kidney insufficiency, after a proper diagnosis only, you are putting point and you are expecting some outcome also. Today, if I apply point, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, I'm expecting this outcome. So like that, logically, we are going. So of course, enjoy the course. Because why you are enjoying means each and every point is bringing results, no? Okay.
Sir, one Mrs. Sonal is asking, she's from UK, how can she attend the class? Of course, she can attend the class. And outside India, people can pay the amount by contacting Joshi sir, because he got an international account also. So no problem, you can pay there and you can join the course. And for the time difference, for that you have to compensate yourself. If you are listening the last class of Basavaraj sir, online live or the recording, there are persons attending the class at that time. Their time is 2:30 a.m. So you have to compensate for your time. Okay, thank you.
If you want to learn, time is not a big deal. Even you are getting recordings also. If you have any doubts, you can get clarified in the records. And that records are available throughout the course also. Okay. So let's learn together and you can try to change something in our life. And of course, this is TM is a diploma course, diploma in traditional energy medicine from certified Baswa Accu Academy. We are issuing the certification. We are sending a soft copy. You can get a printout of it and you can have that. Okay. So fine. Timing is evening 8 to 10. Okay. Yes, sir. Joshi, sir. You can have a few words on this. Lalita madam?
Sir, Joshi sir may not have sufficient data connection, so that's the problem.
Not an issue, madam. Fees and all, just give the clarity in the Joshi Scala group and
yeah, we will surely give the fee details, and for those who need any help financially, also will get the help from Joshi sir. And you can give it installment basis also without any hesitation. And sometimes you will get some offers along with the Nadishara. Then you will get some very nice offers from Joshi Scala group. That also you can enjoy, no problem.
Sure, ma'am. So maybe tomorrow is the last day for join the class. So if you are interested, you can either contact Lalita madam or Joshi sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for the wonderful session today, Basavaraj sir. Actually, it is a nutshell of the color therapy as well as a very wonderful meditation session. Dear people, today we are doing the meditation for about 25 minutes. Actually, Basavaraj sir lead us how to meditate just for 2 minutes also. We will get it all this from the TM course. Thank you all. Good night all. Thank you. Thank you, Basavaraj sir. Thank you all participants. Thank you. Joshi sir, may I end the session, sir? Thank you and good night all. Thank you. Hello.